Changing the language in the Zomato app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily switch to your preferred language. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access the profile menu. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Settings. In the profile menu, look for the Settings option and tap on it. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 4. Select Language. Within the Settings menu, find the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Scroll through the list and select your desired language. Once selected, the app will automatically update to display content in the chosen language. After completing these steps, the Zomato app will now be in your preferred language. Enjoy exploring your favorite restaurants and cuisines.